Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 BMW M3 competition. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Okay, the hood looks perfect as well. I'm not seeing any scratches here at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look perfect. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the back of the car. Okay, the trunk and back bumper look very good. I do not see any scratches on them at all. So everything so far is spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks excellent, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door look very good. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's take a look at the door panel. Excellent. Everything here looks fine. Let's move on to the back seat. Okay, the back seat looks perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, that seat looks very good. Let's take a look at the door panel. And the door panel looks perfect as well. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. All of the buttons for the AC, the radio are good. The shifter looks fine. Everything looks perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel buttons are in excellent condition. Also, the leather and stitching around the steering wheel looks perfect as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.